Use CRM knowledge base articles to help your customers. Capture common customer questions and issues in knowledge base articles in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. This ebook is part of the Microsoft Training and Adoption Kit available on the Microsoft CRM Help website. Hi, I'm Steve No. I'm an experienced software consultant. The last 10 years I've spent working with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, designing solutions, implementing them, and mentoring CRM teams. We offer Dynamics CRM consulting, development, team mentoring, and training. We also use our Dynamics CRM training materials as a basis to develop customized end-user training materials and video based upon your processes and customizations. I hope you find this material helpful. Make your service team more efficient. Create a repository of knowledge-based articles in CRM that your customer service team can use when they're working with customers to help answer questions about your product or service. A key benefit of a well-organized knowledge base is that it makes your service team more efficient and helps improve customer satisfaction. For information on how to set up and use Parature from Microsoft Knowledge Base, visit the Parature Knowledge Base site. Make it easy to create an article. Before your team can create and share knowledge base articles, you'll need to set up a few article templates. You can make those templates for common how-to questions and problems, as well as their solutions, so that your team can use those templates for guidance on writing their own knowledge base articles. And to do this, in the latest version of CRM, on the nav bar, choose Settings, Service Management, and Article. In older versions of CRM, go to Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Settings, Service Management, Article Templates. Here's an example of what it looks like when you finally get to article templates. Important, you have to have the right permissions to create templates, so you may want to check with your CRM administrator to make sure that you're authorized before you try and get started. Use templates. Start by choosing New, and then enter a title and a description, and click OK. Next, you want to choose to add a section to your template. Enter the title and instructions for that section. As you create new sections, you'll be able to use these arrows to move sections up and down and organize. When you're done creating your sections and getting them organized the way you like it, then click Save and Close. Now you can start creating knowledge base articles. Go to Articles, which you can use the latest version of CRM. On the nav bar, choose Service and Articles. And older versions of CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Service, and then Articles. Next, you choose the New button from the top menu, and then select a template and click OK. The template will guide you. First, you need to enter a title, and that's a mandatory field. Also, the subject. You can put in keywords and select languages. And finally, you want to use the instructions in the template to fill out the article sections. When you're done, save the knowledge base article. Choose Save and Close. By the way, when you're reviewing an article, you can add your own comment. Next, what you want to do is to submit it so that it can get published. So you click the Submit button and click OK. Review and publish. When knowledge base articles are submitted for publishing, the person on your team who's responsible for knowledge base articles can review the article and publish it. When they approve the article, it's live and ready to use within 15 minutes. To do this, go to Articles, either using Service and then Articles, and choose Approve, or in older versions, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Service, Articles, and Approve. The reviewer can also unpublish the article and cause it to be sent back to the submitter so that it can be updated with comment. You want to take advantage of your knowledge base. When you're working with a customer, use search to find knowledge base articles that help you resolve customers' issues quickly. You can do this from the case form by clicking on Articles and Contact Information Lookup. First, you choose Articles, then you choose the lookup icon. You can use the search field to find a knowledge base article, and you have options that you can choose to make your search easier. Finally, once you get your list of articles, you can choose View Articles to view the article details. Send information quickly. When you're working on an email case or you're on the phone with a customer, it's easy to send a knowledge base article to the customer. When you find the article, choose Email Article and Send. The CRM Help and Training website has lots of great help content, including videos, ebooks, walkthroughs, customizable training, and more. At Business IT Professionals, we also have lots of resources to help you. Check out our website, our blog, our YouTube page, follow us on Twitter, or send me an email. I'll be happy to hear from you. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.